Hi everybody, it's Andrew Bebb with Midwest Fishing Club. I just wanted to let you know I'm sitting in this chair. I get to do whatever I want this weekend. It is my birthday weekend and I decided I wanted to fish. And I'm going to do it the lazy man's way. You know, I'm getting a little older here. Some of my friends told me I was going to have to start getting a chair to fish in, you know, because I wasn't capable of standing up this long. But hey, you know what? It's almost 8. It's after 8 o'clock. It's about 8:30 at night. Sun's getting ready to go down over there. I'm just going to toss a couple lines out. I'm going to toss 3. I never do this. Let me see here. I'm just going to toss it. I got one with a Wacky rig on it. I'm going to just toss it, let it sit. If I get a fish, well, I get a fish. Just let it sit right there. Set it down on the ground. Let it go. I got a shaky head jig here. This is stuff I used for my last trip. I'll toss it over there. Let it sit. See if a fish comes and gets it. Now, let me get some top water here. Now, do I expect to catch a fish? Who knows? I'm just going to do a little fishing here. See what happens. Who knows? Could happen. I could get something. Oh, hang on. I'm pretty sure I got something going on this pole already. Wow. I didn't expect it to go that quick. Alright, I lied. Oh, no I didn't. He was chasing it all the way in. Just a little guy right off the bank here. Anyway, we'll set that over there. I got me a Buzzbait on here. This is called Lazy Man Fishing. See if we can't catch us a fish. I don't have very much time, so I'm just kind of just kicking back and relaxing. You know, because I'm getting old. Man, you get old. It sucks to get old. And there's a fish, finally. Decent little bass we got going here. I guess I'm going to have to stand up. Oh yeah. There's a nice little bass. There you go. Wow. Man, I thought I had him clamped down pretty good. Nah. I got him on the main hook. Didn't need the trailer hook. Every once in a while we get it's a nice little bass, a pound or so. Nothing huge, but you know, we take him. I have no idea if I'm in a camera shot or not, but nice little bass, nice little bass, nice little bass. And off he goes. Well, whew, I was beginning to wonder, but he came up and hit that pretty hard. In fact, I gotta straighten this out. We got us a bass, old man fishing, sitting on our butts in a chair. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, there's a real big one right over there by the bank. Just got up and swallowed something big. He came up there and smacked that sucker. It's dark out. I'm Andrew Bebb with Midwest Fishing Club. I got me one nice little bass, but that's about it. It's time to go back. Old man fishing. Well, that's what I am. Anyway, you guys have a great day. Keep your hooks wet and your stringers full. Until next time, have a great day.